Welcome to this quick guide on how to swap BTC to XRP on CoinSwapKing.com. Start by entering the amount of BTC you want to exchange in the You Send field. The calculator will automatically show you how much XRP you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. In this step, you'll need to provide the XRP wallet address where you want to receive your XRP. Be sure to double-check the address, as your XRP coins will be sent here immediately after the exchange completes. To complete your BTC to XRP swap, you'll need to send a deposit. On the exchange page, you'll find the address where you need to transfer the specified amount of BTC. This step is crucial for proceeding with the swap. After receiving your deposit, we will convert it to XRP. This process may take a short while. Once completed, your XRP will be sent directly to the wallet address you provided. Check the link in the description to get started. Swap thousands of coins instantly on CoinSwapKing.com. No sign up, no limits, no complications.